Must-buy penny stocks for high returns. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of penny stocks, those low-priced shares that can offer incredible investment opportunities for savvy investors. If you've ever dreamed of finding that hidden gem that could skyrocket in value, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what penny stocks are, why they can be a game-changer for your investment portfolio, and most importantly, we'll highlight some must-buy penny stocks that have the potential for high returns. We'll break down the key factors to consider when investing in these stocks, including market trends, company fundamentals, and expert insights that can help you make informed decisions. But wait, why should you care about penny stocks? Well, they often come with lower price tags, which means you can buy more shares and potentially see significant gains if the companies perform well. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable information to help you navigate the penny stock market. Stick around as we uncover the top picks and strategies that could lead you to financial success. Let's get started. Understanding penny stocks. What they are and why they appeal to investors. Penny stocks are typically defined as shares of small companies that trade at low prices, usually under $5 per share. These stocks are often found on the over-the-counter (OTC) markets rather than major exchanges, making them less regulated and more volatile. Their low price point is what draws many investors in, as it allows for the possibility of purchasing a larger number of shares without a significant financial commitment. One of the most appealing aspects of penny stocks is their potential for high returns. Many investors have experienced substantial gains when a penny stock suddenly gains traction, whether through positive news, innovative products, or market trends. However, it's crucial to remember that with high reward comes high risk. The same volatility that can lead to impressive profits can also result in significant losses, making it essential to approach these investments with caution. Before diving into the world of penny stocks, thorough research is vital. Understanding the company's fundamentals, market position, and potential for growth can help mitigate risks. By doing your homework, you can better position yourself to capitalize on the opportunities that penny stocks present while safeguarding your investment. Market trends and analysis. Current influences on penny stocks. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, understanding market trends is crucial for anyone interested in penny stocks. Recent market movements have shown increased volatility, driven by factors such as inflation concerns, interest rate changes, and shifts in consumer behavior. These fluctuations can significantly impact penny stocks, often leading to rapid price changes that savvy investors can capitalize on. One sector currently showing promising growth potential for penny stocks is technology, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. As businesses increasingly rely on digital solutions, smaller companies in these fields may experience substantial growth, making them attractive options for investors looking for high returns. Additionally, the renewable energy sector is gaining traction, with many penny stocks focused on innovative solutions for sustainability. Economic indicators such as unemployment rates, consumer confidence, and GDP growth also play a vital role in influencing penny stock performance. For instance, a rise in consumer spending can boost small companies, leading to increased stock prices. Conversely, economic downturns can create challenges for these businesses, resulting in price declines. By keeping an eye on these trends and indicators, investors can make informed decisions and identify penny stocks that are well positioned for growth in the current market environment. Top penny stocks to watch. Promising picks for high returns. Let's dive into some penny stocks that are generating buzz and show potential for high returns. First up is Sundial Growers Inc. SNDL, a cannabis company that has been making waves in the market. With the ongoing legalization of cannabis in various regions, Sundial is well positioned to capitalize on this growing industry. Recent partnerships and product launches have sparked investor interest, making it a stock to watch. Next, we have Zomedica Corp. ZOM, a veterinary health company focused on developing diagnostic tools for pets. With the pet care market booming, Zomedica's innovative products, like its Truforma platform, are gaining traction. Recent positive test results and expanding distribution channels have fueled optimism about its growth potential. Another noteworthy mention is Castor Maritime Inc., CTRM, a shipping company that has seen increased demand due to global supply chain disruptions. As economies recover, Castor's fleet expansion and strategic acquisitions position it for significant growth. Recent contracts and rising freight rates are promising indicators for investors. Lastly, keep an eye on Acasti Pharma Inc. ACST, which focuses on developing treatments for cardiovascular diseases. With recent clinical trial successes and a growing pipeline, Acasti is attracting attention in the biotech sector. These stocks represent exciting opportunities for investors looking to tap into the potential of penny stocks. Investment strategies for penny stocks, effective approaches for success. When it comes to investing in penny stocks, having a solid strategy is essential for maximizing your potential returns while minimizing risks. One of the most effective strategies is diversification. By spreading your investments across multiple penny stocks in different sectors, you can reduce the impact of any single stock's poor performance on your overall portfolio. This approach allows you to capture gains from various opportunities while mitigating losses. Risk management is another crucial aspect of penny stock trading. Given their inherent volatility, it's vital to set stop-loss orders to protect your investments from significant downturns. This technique automatically sells your shares if they drop to a predetermined price, helping you limit potential losses. Additionally, consider allocating only a small portion of your overall investment capital to penny stocks, ensuring that your financial health remains intact even if some trades don't pan out. Lastly, it's important to set realistic expectations for returns. While the allure of massive gains can be tempting, remember that penny stocks can be unpredictable. Aim for steady, incremental growth rather than chasing after quick riches. By adopting these strategies, you can navigate the penny stock market more effectively and increase your chances of achieving long-term success. Common mistakes to avoid: pitfalls in penny stock investing. Investing in penny stocks can be enticing, but it's essential to steer clear of common pitfalls that can derail your financial success. One prevalent misconception is that all penny stocks are get-rich-quick opportunities. While some may yield high returns, many are fraught with risks and can lead to significant losses. It's crucial to approach these investments with a realistic mindset. Another danger lies in emotional trading and impulsive decisions. The volatility of penny stocks can trigger fear and greed, leading investors to make hasty choices based on market fluctuations rather than sound analysis. This emotional roller coaster can result in buying high and selling low, ultimately harming your portfolio. To combat this, establish a clear trading plan and stick to it, regardless of market emotions. Lastly, the importance of due diligence cannot be overstated. Many investors jump into penny stocks without thoroughly researching the companies behind them. Understanding a company's fundamentals, market position, and recent developments is vital for making informed decisions. Take the time to analyze financial statements, news releases, and industry trends before investing. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance your chances of success in the penny stock market and build a more resilient investment strategy. Key takeaways on penny stocks and investment strategies. As we wrap up our exploration of penny stocks, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed what penny stocks are and why they can be appealing to investors, highlighting their potential for high returns alongside the associated risks. We also examined current market trends, identified promising penny stocks to watch, and shared effective investment strategies, including the importance of diversification and risk management. Remember, setting realistic expectations and conducting thorough due diligence are crucial steps in navigating this volatile market. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and tips. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions in the world of investing. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or fellow investors who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your interests. Also, be sure to explore our related videos for deeper dives into specific investment strategies and market analyses. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you on your investment journey. Happy investing!